Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have edit permission and access to the platform's content management. Once confirmed, locate the exact content ID or platform-specific identifier. This may live in the video details or API response. Make sure to back up current metadata and the original file so you can revert if needed. You will need the existing ID to map references. Next, open the editor or API console to begin changing the content ID. Don't skip verification steps. Now you perform the actual change. If using the UI, navigate to the video's advanced settings and edit the content ID field. Save and watch for validation errors. If using the API, craft an authenticated request to the update endpoint, include the new ID in the correct JSON field, and check response status codes. Make sure to update any dependent references like playlists or embeds immediately because mismatched ID break links. Once done, wait for propagation and finish by verifying the change across viewers and systems. You should play the video, test embeds, and confirm analytics reflect the new ID. If the old ID still appears, clear local cache and purge CDN edges, then recheck. If references or analytics break, revert using your backup and double-check ID format rules to avoid namespace conflicts. Finally, document the change and the timestamp so you can trace issues later. This helps when propagation or caching causes temporary inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.